come alongside to explore the trinomial factorization with me. The question we are looking at today is x squared minus 8x plus 12. And in order to factorize this, we start by opening two brackets and we place an x and an x, and we leave spaces for the factors. Now we move on to the exploration of factors. So in order to explore our factors that we need to complete that factorization, we know that we can just have like a small board where we say sum and product. And the sum here is we are looking for two factors that add up to this number, the minus 8, and the product must be, if you multiply the two numbers, it should give you this constant term. So let's think of the two numbers such that if you add these two numbers, you get minus 8. If you multiply, they give you 12. So we can look at a few numbers just to see. So numbers that you add and get minus 8 can be minus 4, minus 4. But when you multiply, you do not get 12, you get 16. So these are not the factors. You could look at maybe you think of what two numbers can you multiply and you get 12. So let's say you take 4 and 3, they give you 12, but when you add them, you get 7, so they are not the factors. After exploration, maybe you have already discovered the factors, so you can explore and look at a few factors. Eventually, the right factors here would be minus 6 and minus 2, because if you add minus 6, minus 2, you get minus 8. If you multiply them, minus 6 times minus 2, you get 12. So our two factors are minus 6 and minus 2. So we bring them into the bracket minus 6, minus 2. And we have factorized our quadratic equation fully. Thank you. Did you pause?
So we're gonna put the x's in brackets and leave space for our answer like this. Then now we're gonna put a column for sum and product. Like this. So now negative 11 is our sum and 12 is our product. 24 is our product. So now we have to list the factors of 24, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. I'm not gonna write the negative values, but also negatives. Everything here, the negative form of it is also a factor of 24. So now we're gonna have to look for the sum of negative 11. So let me first try negative 11 plus, negative 8 plus negative 4 plus negative 4 is equal to negative 12. So we're close, but we didn't get there. Now I'm going to try negative 8 again, but now with negative 3. I think I'm going to write these a bit bigger so you can see. So the first one I wrote negative 8 plus negative 4 equal to negative 12. How do I keep on doing this? So the next is going to be negative 8 plus negative 3, which is equal to negative 11. So now we've got our sum, because negative 8 times negative 3 is equal to 24 as well. So here we can write negative, what number?
You can write the factors that you found in each bracket.
Negative 8 and negative 3.
Mm-hmm.
So now it's done. I could do it, you can.
Thank you, student. Thank you.